Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to use Reve. This is a AI new tools guys to generate image for free as unlimited image for pro. So guys, you have the lot of option here. You have create and export an account and about. So guys, from here you have a 4 image. As you can see here, you can edit this image, you can edit this prompt. As you can see here, this is the prompt of this image. If you want to edit, you can just delete this, for example this prompt, and you can add your own prompt. And from here you have image. If select your image, select your 8:4, just for example to image, and this is size of image guys. You can choose this size of image and you can enhance on, and you can create from here. And you have this option guys, explore. You can explore this image and you can edit. For just click this one, for example this one, and click edit and edit this prompt from here, and choose the size as I say, and choose the image, one image for example, and click this one, create. And this from explore. And this account guys, you have the credit. Just for me, I have free plan, I have 100 credit. You can buy credit from here and click create. This option you have create and export this option. And this you have a lot of option guys. Explore, you can explore a lot of image from for example this image. You can edit this prompt. For example I professional products, photography and luxury bracelet, for example just one, and click this one, and you see this prompt from here, way to generating your image. This is how you can do guys to use Reve. I hope this video helpful. This is my prompts guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon.